I'm going to give it to you in a microchip. There is a really nice location. It's a great piece of property. And it's going to be used for vacation, relaxation, also educational workshops, as well as the entertainment and media that we've been doing online. So this includes collaborative video projects, electronic music, even acoustic music. We're going to have live music there, and it's going to be recorded. So there's a lot of amusement, but also education that's going to be taking place there.
That's good. That's sharp. That's unbelievable.
We're going to take the first people that come forward, and you're going to be heroes. Okay? Let me tell you how I've already been doing that. I called the Utubia gathering together for 414. It was before 777. It was 414. The first historical figure that came out of that, and it blew me away, Randy Hacksaw. Okay? Here's the name to remember. And what I told everybody, and what I told him from the start, I said, you're going to be famous, because the first people that come up, the first responders, are going to lead the way. And they are an example to the rest of the people. Randy Hacksaw. Who else came? Diane Kronstadt. Draco. I'm not on the internet. He's been involved for a while on the project. Nowhere Man. Ian. You had Utubia Miho, and you had all the people online. Sonic Alchemy carried the torch. That's why I'm featuring his video as the guest editor. That's why he's getting featured. All of these people did an incredible thing, and everybody is going to be congratulated. These are the first 1,000 responders that I'm looking to build up and I'm going to promote. It's going to be set in stone. You're going to have your name carved out on a monument. You're going to see at the top of that list, you're going to see Randy Hacksaw on there. So keep up your good work. You got started. Now inspire all the people, because they're all going to come in waves. It's a really great vision. I mean, what can I compare it to? I'm thinking really big, so you could look at what Walt Disney did maybe almost 100 years ago when he started getting his ideas, and he formed his company in the 1930s, and they were putting out something new, the cartoons, the movies, and then they became color, and they got all kinds of fancy sound and sound effects. And then he got a piece of property, and they developed it to where you could step right into the movie. And you had the Magic Kingdom, and you had all the characters come to life, and you could shake their hands and everything. Well, I would really like to compare our project to Walt Disney theme parks and the entire entertainment empire. But at the same time, I would like to say that it's spiritual, a lot more spiritual oriented. We're going to have religious figures involved, and as I said, it is very much educational, to where children can learn things as well as adults can come there. And a lot of these things are going to be self-help. They're going to open you up to greater skills that you wouldn't find anywhere else. And that's what's happening. We're making the ball roll now. It's rolling. It's happening. And all the elements are coming together. We've got the people, we've got the entertainment, we've got all the experience.
You'll be able to work directly with Mr. Ree and his board of directors to figure out what exactly would you want built, the exact location. He's using the four corners right now.
We've got the property, we've got the resources, we've got the land, we've got the plans, we've got the projects, we've got the ideas of what to do. And we've got the money, we've got the seed money. Business is about competition. I have the seed money, the capital. Now I need matching funds.
So, Mr. Ray, I just want to be the first on your project.
Well, you were already in the front.
$20 towards the funds.
Look at that. Look, just
$20.
look at that.
That's worth it. This proves that, you know, I'm into the project. I can't see totally into the future, but you got to start somewhere, and then along the way we'll make adjustments with questionnaires. You know, we'll have some meetings. You know, that's practical because you can't. Everybody just can't come. You know.
By the way, where are you from? You're from New York?
I'm from New York City.
The Big Apple.
I'm from the Big Apple. I live in Manhattan, and I moved there. You know, it's a wonderful place. A lot of good people, and you know, $20 nowadays is nothing.
Well, no, it's not nothing. It's not nothing. This is all we need from each person.
That's right.
I've got over 1,000 subscribers on various different channels, 1,500 subscribers, and I've got a combination of over 3,000 friends. So those overlap, but you're talking over 4,000 people. If 4,000 people each were to give $20, how much money would we have? Well, just click the link up there, or wherever the box ends up, or we will put it across the screen right now, and just type that in and you can find out more information. As little as $20 can get you started, and the sooner the better. If we get the $3,000 today, that means that tomorrow people can start making their plans to visit and stay with us. We also are taking volunteers. That's also going to be detailed on the website. Volunteers that can give themselves for any number of days or weeks on end, and look at it as an internship. You're going to be learning a lot, and you're also going to be putting your skills to use for the greater benefit of the project. I'm going to let you know where it is so you can come. And it is near the Four Corners area of the 4 states in the United States. The Four Corners. So look that up on a map. You might have heard about it. An amazing area. There's not a lot of people there. That's strange. So many people are in metropolis areas, and they don't realize that the most fantastic settings, the greatest environment, is somewhere, yet no one's there yet. And that's where Utubia is going to take root. That's where Utubia is going to be built.